have decided to follow Jesus.
My Naija people, this one a pidgin news story and I mean man about her 9 years so. We don't do our ogbonge research, come find out of 15 ogbonge Naija celeb wey Hush Puppy don make verse in 2017 go reach 2020. And some Naija celeb they hate Hush Puppy because of him bad mouth, while some other ones them not like am because of the way he saying they show off on top social media. The first person na Enola Badmus. Enola Badmus will be ogbonge actress throw word to take give Hush Puppy on top Snapchat in January 2017 after when Hush Puppy don't give her bad mouth on top social media. And as she be the first celeb wey talk say call up and made a touch like Hush Puppy. The next person na Davido. Davido beef with Hush Puppy start in March 12 on Sunday 2017 after wey Hush Puppy go spend 11.5 million naira on top one nightclub for Lagos. Come post the receipt on top social media and so he control bad mouth take give Davido. Say because Davido go the club on Friday 10th 2017 go buy plenty drinks as he wan use the ATM card to take pay, the thing no come work. Davido come out on top social media come show him bank statement and receipt wey be saying spend 130 million naira for things wey be saying buy. But later Davido and Hush Puppy come become ogbonge friends. So
Hush Puppy, I love you. I love
even Hush Puppy even go Davido brother wedding for Dubai. The next person na OAP OC. After we Hush Puppy come out to come make mouth to say he spend 11.5 million naira for inside one nightclub for Lagos. OC come out on top social media come tell Hush Puppy saying that they spend money pass the money wey he sell in kidney. But Hush Puppy no reply am. Ogokoye na the next person. Hush Puppy throw bad mouth to take give the ogbonge actress wey be Ogokoye 2017 after wey Ogokoye go post picture of two small dogs and wey not be her own. Hush Puppy come snap picture with plenty dollar wey he hold for hand to come post am on top social media. Come dey yarn say no be the kind of auntie dem wey say that they borrow tip pictures they post on top social media. Casey Limpopo na the next person. After wey Casey post picture of plenty dollar on top social media wey people dey yarn say no be get the money wey dey for inside the picture. But later Hush Puppy come throw bad mouth to take give Casey wey make Casey come para come provoke on top social media come call EFCC say make dem come touchlight Hush Puppy make dem know where he for take get the money. But Hush Puppy come out again come fire against Casey. Come yarn say be like say Casey dey vex to say because he not give am the picture wey he hold dollar plenty making for you stay post on top social media. Say make am mad or fall on now. The next celeb na Ice Prince. For inside June 2017, Hush Puppy come throw bad mouth to take give Ice Prince and other ogbonge artists them. Say that they wear fake clothes and fake wristwatches and that they complain say people that they buy their fake pirated CD songs. Ice Prince can't reply am as him post this. Can't give Hush Puppy nickname as Wash Puppy. Phyno na the next celeb. For inside 2017, Phyno follow for the popular musicians the way Hush Puppy call say that they wear fake things. But Phyno can't come out can't reply and say Hush Puppy na mad cow wey want popular by force. Hush Puppy can't come out can't give am bad mouth. AY na the next celeb. The popular ogbonge Naija comedian follow Hush Puppy take throw bad mouth. The bad mouth started after the Merry Men producer show picture of where he carry Gucci bag. Contact Hush Puppy on top Instagram. Come yarn. Say make Hush Puppy come check the Gucci bag when he carry. If na real or fake, make him mind for resting. But Hush Puppy come out come reply. Say my kind of person not be for everybody. Now so my reply not be for everybody. Classic Baji. The Instagram username will be Classic Baji yarn on top Instagram say it good to make people they invest their money and not be to they leak fake life on top Instagram or come they buy Gucci shoe. Everybody knows say now Hush Puppy na intro this word they give. But later Hush Puppy party will be Muffa come out to come comment under the post to come fire bad mouth to they give Hush Puppy. The next person na Cubana Chief Priest. This film started between the Emo Club manager and Hush Puppy for inside early 2019. Like we hear say two of them are party before, they come later come break up. Cubana Chief Priest come out to come yarn on top social media that accuse Hush Puppy. Say make him stop to the lie saying buy new Bentley, Bentiaga and Rolls Royce to celebrate Valentine February 2019. But Hush Puppy come out to come fire and back as him post two pictures of Rolls Royce key where they write in name Hush Puppy to show say na him buy am. But Cubana Chief Priest come yarn say make Hush Puppy post the receipt to show say na him really buy am. Sade Ladipo post on top social media see fire Hush Puppy after winning control bad man take give Busola Dakolo. Hush Puppy yarn for inside one video when he post for Insta story. Come say Nigerian celebrity them just carry the rape matter between Busola Dakolo against Pastor Photo Yibo. Even he say she not even get to bonga evidence. But they not even do anything about the xenophobia attacking where they happen for inside South Africa. Where we say that they brutalize plenty Nigerians. Another celebrity wey fire Hush Puppy na Two-Face Idibia. Two-Face Idibia don throw away bad mouth to give Hush Puppy as him call Nigerian celebrities. They say they not people mad for the killings wey dey happen for inside South Africa. But for inside another post wey Hush Puppy make on top Instagram, he can continue con dey fire Nigeria celeb as dem no yarn about the attack. But two baba come out to come yarn Hush Puppy say this post wey he make, he say e no make sense at all. But first say he hail am as he yarn about the xenophobia. But the celebrity, they not be the real issue. Two baba can continue con dey yarn, con tell the social media big boy wey be Hush Puppy say he not get right to attack anybody because they no yarn about the killings, because he no know wetin dey their head and he no know wetin they wan do next. The next celeb na Timaya. For inside 2019, Timaya come out to come yarn say some artists dey wear fake clothes, fake shoe and fake wristwatches. Na so Hush Puppy come out to come fire Timaya back.
Àwọn Wizzy, àwọn Davido, àwọn D'banj tó ń máa ṣọ gidi sọ́run gan nú industry. Sọ̀rọ̀. Olórí burúkú ìyá ẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀.
Because Timaya follow for the song wey they sing with Phyno wey they use take abuse am.
All your friends they walk your own as a man quit. I tell you, you don't get. I advise you don't get.
But later Timaya can't reply am say no, they talk to people who say they wrong, go abroad, go hide.
We don't respond to people on exile. if you get my come home or hush your mouth.
The next celeb na Zubi Michael. The Nollywood ogbonge actor throw a word they give Hush Puppy for inside one post when he put on top Instagram. Con yarn say anybody wey get money con dey try to show say he get money, say the person poor mentally, physically and spiritually. Say because people wey get money say they no dey make noise. In con yarn say the social media big boy money say e no pure at all. But before Hush Puppy go get time to reply, he call over for Dubai, come arrest am. This na Pidgin News Network and na me man about time MC the heat na in the yarn so. Make una get better day.